Calling up saved labels from the PT-E550W. This is your transfer templates that you created on PTouch Editor and saved into the machine, and now you want to call up those files. How do you do that? Simply select the File button, and you can call them up by the transfer templates here. You're also going to see the local files. Local files are labels that you've created on the machine and saved to the machine. That's not what we're looking for. For this example, we're looking specifically for the transferred files. These are the labels that we created in PTouch Editor and sent over to the machine and saved in the machine. They live here now. This is one of my transferred files that we created. It's for the Brother TZE tapes. We already have the label created, and we can go ahead and print here. When we select OK, this one is attached to a database, and you can see that it's attached to a database because it has, I'm just going to escape here. You could see the symbols right down here showing that there is a database attached to it. So when I select the OK button, it asks if I want to print from a database, if I want to edit the label, or if I wanted to delete the label. For this example, I just want to print from that database, and now we're in that database. What I want to do is I want to print my TZE231 label, so I'll type in TZE231. I'll find that label, select it, and I can go ahead and print that label. If I wanted to print the label above that, I would just simply using my up and down arrow keys, select the labels that I do want to print, select OK, and the label printer will print those saved labels based on the information that you called up from the database that it's attached to.